Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Shomu's Biology. And this has been an honor to make this series of videos, and this is probably the over a decade I've been making videos just before the CSIR NET examination to help you to qualify the examination for the last month and utilize the last month the best possible way. For this time, this session, June 2026 examination session, I will be making this video series of CSIR NET Toppers Secret. And in this particular series, what I'm going to share is that the toppers, they don't follow the typical rule of the books. What they do is that they don't read everything and anything that is out there, because if what they do is that they understand the exam very well. They know the bits and pieces of the exam, right? They know from which topics the repeated questions are being asked for the previous 5-6 years, and they focus on those topics. They read and drill down those topics to the bare minimum basic, towards the basic, from the basic to the advanced most concepts of those topics. Once they do that, they become unstoppable in those topics, and believe me, they generally get questioned from those topics repeatedly, year after year. I've known my students who scored very well with the rank under 25, have not touched the paper 1, the general aptitude and reasoning paper, without touching it, qualified with a score of more than 145, 150 out of 200. So if you want to score that much marks, you need to have a blueprint which you should follow. You need to have patience of learning the whole exam, understanding the whole exam, and understand the blueprint of Topper's Secret. That's what we are going to provide you throughout the series for all the 13 units. So this is going to be a roller coaster ride for all of you. I'm going to highlight the topics that you need to read, you need to prepare, because the topics are most important topics, repeatedly asked, high yield topics, and these topics are not man-made like that. This obviously man-made, but it's not made by me. It's shared by CSIR NET itself with their syllabus. So I'll just decipher the CSIR NET Life Science syllabus for one last time before the syllabus gets changed or gets altered. One last time from Shomu's Biology, you're going to get the detailed analysis of repeated topics, high yield topics that you should prepare, and the topics you should leave, and then revise those topics to score well in the upcoming CSIR NET Life Science examination. So all the very best. Let's begin. Welcome to Unit 3, that is Fundamental Process. We call it Molecular Biology, although the term Molecular Biology can be used for a large topic list, but here we have fundamental processes only, that is DNA replication, transcription, translation, and post-transcriptional modifications. So post-transcriptional, post-translational modifications, these are something that is important. So the first paragraph, what are the repeated topics or the high yield topics? We are going to discuss about that. Okay, so DNA replication, DNA repair and recombination, all of it is important. So among them, unit of replication, enzymes involved. Yes, enzymes involved in the replication, origin of replication fork, fidelity of replication, DNA damage and repair mechanisms. These are all very important. RNA synthesis and processing, among them transcription factors and the machinery. Okay, formation of initiation complex is important. Transcription activators and repressors in eukaryotes are important. RNA polymerase, capping, elongation and termination. RNA processing, very important. 5' capping, 3' polyadenylation. RNA splicing is very important. RNA editing is very important, right? Structure and function of different types of RNA and how the RNA gets transported across nucleus is important. Protein synthesis, among them formation of initiation complex in eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Initiation factors and their regulation, elongation factors, termination is important. The ambiguity of genetic code is important. Amino acyl tRNA, charging of amino acyl tRNA is important. tRNA identity, amino acid tRNA synthetase enzyme and its role is very important. Translational proofreading is important. Translational inhibitors, post-translational modification of proteins, all are very, very important. Control of gene expression at transcription and translation level, regulation of phages, virus and prokaryotes and eukaryotic gene expression. Now, regulation of prokaryotic gene expression is something that we already know. It's under the topic operon, but again, regulation of gene expression in eukaryotes are even important. Role of chromatin in regulating gene expression and gene silencing. Now, here I'd not suggest to go in that detail, but yes, eukaryotic gene expression and how eukaryotic gene expression is different from prokaryotic gene expression is something that you need to understand. That's all. So these are the topics which are repeatedly asked in CSIR NET Life Science examination, and there won't be any change to that, even though the syllabus is going to change in the from the next session onwards. So prepare these topics and you'll be very well equipped to answer most of the question in the examination. So that concludes our understanding of this unit and the most important topic from this unit, the topics that are repeatedly asked from this unit. So this is what toppers do. The CSIR NET toppers, they don't read everything and each and everything from every single unit. No, they read only the repeated units, the most high yield topics from every unit of CSIR NET Life Science syllabus. And if you follow them, blindfoldedly follow this strategy, and you are going to get benefit. You are going to replicate the toppers strategy and you can reach to get a highest score to be the next topper. All the very best. And if you want to prepare this suggestively, we at Shomu's Biology, we prepare everything on the basis of this heat map analysis. We provide heat map analysis, we provide the roadmap, we provide books, hard copy books, we take test series based on this idea, we take classes based on this idea. So if you want to join our online coaching program, the registration is going on, the admission is going on. Contact 9804654228. Visit our website www.shomusbiology.com. Remember, if you check it through our application, which is there in the App Store and Play Store, the price of the coaching will be higher, but if you check in the website, it will be low. If you directly contact us, it will be low. So I recommend you to go through the website to sign in for the coaching, or directly contact us to sign in for the coaching. All the very best. Wish you the best in the upcoming session of the CSIR NET examination. Bye.